Alright, I'm about to do a camera inspection for my customer's property over here in Mystic, Connecticut. So here we go. So what we have here is a sewer trap. That's the building side of the trap. That's the street side of the trap. That's the clean out to the street. That's just a vent going into the drywall for the trap. So the first thing I noticed with my inspection is that the trap itself has dried out. So that tells me that this property must have sat for a very long time for that trap to have fully evaporated. The cast iron looks really rough and scaled up. There's a lot of rust scale built up. Yep, we're in the trap. We can't really see much. Yeah, it's scaled up. It's rough and rusty. So I'm going to go out to the street. Immediately I see how scaled up this is. The pipe is choked off with big flakes of cast iron and iron scale. You see that one giant flake of cast iron just sitting there, clogging the pipe. All of that is flakes of iron. It's pretty terrible. My camera bumps the pipe. Iron falls in. I'm going to pull that big piece out. So there's that. There's actually more. Alright. So now we're going out towards the street. The pipe is in really rough, rusty shape. The diameter of the pipe appears to be maybe possibly half of what it should be. It's a 4-inch pipe. There appears to be some kind of buildup on the bottom of the pipe, right to about the halfway point. So it might be open to about 2 inches in this area, which for a sewer line is horrible. So here's where we go from 4-inch cast iron. Technically probably about 2 with all the scale buildup. 2 looks like possibly, yeah, 6-inch SDR35 PVC. So at some point they replaced this sewer line. So all the new PVC looks good. It's supposed to look good. It's brand new. So looks like it was installed nicely. And we're dropping straight down. Now we leveled off again. That's a spider web, it looks like. Alright. This is the city sewer. So 70 feet 3 inches, we fall into the city sewer. So yeah, I'm going to recommend descaling that cast iron because it looks horrible. It's not going to take very much for that to clog at all. So I'm going to start pulling the camera back so we get another peek at it. So the right way to descale that is with a high-speed pipe milling machine. That'll knock that rust free and get it back to a normal 4-inch diameter. It'll get it nice and smooth like it should be. Other than that, you're excavating. Okay, so there's where the cast iron starts. You can see the bottom part of the pipe is where the bottom left corner of the screen, that's actually the bottom of the pipe. The camera flips around in the pipe. You see how flat that is? That's all built up on the bottom of the pipe. So we're about half, as I said before, half the normal diameter. And that's all she wrote. It's a mess. But on the bright side, it's only a mess in that short section of cast iron. The rest of it looks incredible. So, in a way, good news.